Hello everyone. We students of Shri Swaminarayan Physiotherapy College will discuss on our today's topic computer ergonomics. The first question that comes to our mind is of the word ergonomics. What does that mean? Ergo means work and nomic means study. Our main goal is to work smarter and not harder. It is simply the task to fit the job to the worker and not worker to the job. So by simply adjusting the surroundings, one can fit to the job without any bodily problems. Ergonomics can be very helpful for the people who stay in the same posture for a long period of time to prevent its causes which occur suddenly. For example, when keyboard is used for a long period of time, one can feel numbness and tingling sensation in hand and arm. This can also be called as carpal tunnel syndrome, which occurs due to the repetitive pressure on the nerve. For the people who have full day job, in which who are sitting in improper posture can sometimes cause pain due to overstretching of the muscle, which is usually around neck, back and shoulder. This can also be called as muscle strain. Further problems such as tendon injury, which occurs suddenly or get worse little by little, occurs due to the improper alignment of the shoulder during using the computer. Usage of computer for a prolonged period of time risks headache, burning eyes, red eyes and other symptoms that comprise of computer vision syndrome. We spend a lot of time on our computer, so the way we sit at our desk can greatly affect our health. So, by simply adjusting our desk, we can prevent all the problems that were discussed earlier. Firstly, we should keep in mind that we don't sit in upright position. This may look professional but can cause pain over a period of time. Rather, adjust your chair a bit reclined. This will help to support a part of our body weight. For computer adjustments, head should be in level or slightly bent forward. Shoulders must be relaxed. Forearms and hands should be straight and parallel to the floor. Wrist should be supported with some kind of cushion and back should be supported by a lumbar support. One can also use a pillow if needed. Thighs and hips should be supported well by a padded seat. If needed, feet should also be supported. To prevent body stiffness, we can perform exercise during our free time. Exercises for neck. First, neck shrug. Allow your arms to hang down at your side and shrug your shoulder. Hold it for 2 seconds and release. Second exercise, sit with your upper back against the chair. Tuck your chin down, then pull your hand back until it touches the chair. Third exercise, sit with your head and neck in neutral position. Tilt your head to the left while looking straight. Fourth, side rotation. Keep your head and neck in neutral position and rotate your chin towards the right and left shoulder. Exercises for legs. First, straight leg raising exercise. This exercise will help in strengthening hip flexors and quadriceps. Second, foot rotation. Strengthen your legs and then rotate your feet in clockwise and anti-clockwise direction. Exercises for lower back. First, low back relief. Stand with feet shoulder width apart. Tip head back, lean shoulders back and hold. Second exercise, lateral trunk stretch. Raise right arm over the head, slowly bend at the waist to left side until you feel mild tension in your back. Repeat the opposite side. Third, quadricep stretch. Slowly pull the ankle up and back until you feel a stretch in front of the thigh. Repeat on the opposite side. Hope you guys like the video.